Here's 9 useful Arabic phrases that you need to know.
So memorize them and put them in your daily conversations and get good in the Arabic language. So the first word is ahlan wa sahlan. Ahlan wa sahlan, which means welcome. You can say it to anyone. Ahlan wa sahlan. Ahlan wa sahlan. Welcome. The second phrase that you need to know is assalamu alaikum. I think everyone knows this. Muslims, whenever they meet each other, they say assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. May peace, assalam, peace. Wa alaikum, alaikum, be upon you. Assalamu alaikum. And the response would be wa alaikum assalam. Wa alaikum assalam. And upon you, peace. Wa alaikum assalam. The third phrase that you need to know is min fadlik. Min fadlik. Min fadlik. Min fadlik means please. If you give someone something, min fadlik, please. Have it, please. Min fadlik. Min fadlik. Min fadlik. Min fadlik. The fourth phrase that you need to know, this is a very common phrase. Shukran jazilan. Thank you so much. Shukran, thank you. Jazilan, a lot. Shukran jazilan. The fifth Arabic phrase that you need to know, or word in this case, is afwan. 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 It means you're welcome. Afwan. You can also say al-afu, which means don't mention it. Al-afu. Normally when people say shukran jazilan, thank you so much, you say al-afu. Don't mention it. Or afwan. Afwan. Sixth phrase that you need to know that will come useful when you speak Arabic is ana asif. Ana asif, which means I am sorry. Ana asif. Ana asif. Ana asif. If you're a male, ana asif. If you're a female, ana asifa. Ana asifa. The seventh useful phrase in the Arabic language is min ayna anta. Where are you from? Whenever you meet someone new, you trying to introduce yourself and get to know some information about that guy, you need to ask them, where are you from? Min ayna anta. If you're talking to a male, where are you from? Min ayna anta. If you're talking to a female, min ayna anti. Min ayna anti. Where are you from? The eighth useful Arabic phrase that you need to know is masmuk. Masmuk. Ma ismuka. Masmuk. Masmuk. What is your name? Masmuk. If you're talking to a guy, it's masmuka. If you're talking to a female, it's masmuki. Normally Arabs, they don't say ka or ki, they just end it with a sukun, which is masmuk. You can use it for any gender. Masmuk. Masmuk. What is your name? Now the ninth useful Arabic phrase that you need to know, I think you already know it, it's insha'Allah. Insha'Allah. It means God willing. Insha'Allah. If you say you're going to meet someone and you say, Inshallah, that means God willing, I'll meet you. Sometimes it means no, but it literally means, Inshallah, God willing. Inshallah. Insha'Allah. Insha'Allah. God willing. Insha'Allah. You're going to meet today. Insha'Allah. You're going to make a video today. Insha'Allah. Increase your vocabulary and master the Arabic language. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, share this video, and hit that notification button below so that whenever I post, you will be notified. Shukran jazilan wa jazakumullah khair. Assalamu alaikum.